In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Chrysler 300. It's located under the hood near your windshield wipers. Push back on these tabs, remove this cover. Now we're going to remove this by sliding your fingers under and pulling it towards you. I'm going to pull out our air filter. Before installing, make sure you look at your air filter and see if there's any arrows. This says rear of car, so we're going to turn this over and make sure it's facing the rear of the car. Once you do that, you're going to slide it into the box. And let it go in. And now you can snap close the lid. And now we can put our cover back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.